that loud. Wow, brutal. Really. Louder than my GT4 was, for sure. Hi guys, I'm Matthias on Cars and Bikes, and today we will look for a new exhaust system at Friedrich Motorsport here in Lichtenfels, Germany. And guys, unfortunately not for this beauty, but for this one. So, but let's have a look at that one. It's actually very nice as well. Not too bad. Actually, I'm not sure about the model. Looks pretty new to me, but I'm not so much into the Ferrari models and how they are called. Maybe you know that. But we will today get a new exhaust system for my Mazda MX5 and see again. The old one looks like this, and then let's see how the new one will look. Come on, let's check. Let's have a look. Already work in progress here. That was the original, and that's the new one. So ready, like new. Hello. I like that. I think there is still a little bit. Can you see here? Here. I have to fix that. This one, actually, I talked to the boss, Mr. Friedrich. It's his, and it's of course an SF90. 1000 horsepower car. I'm not sure yet for the sound check in this video or in the next video. Yeah, maybe in this video, huh? I hope so. I try. So I drove now about 250 kilometers Autobahn, very fast, very full throttle, high revs to give the exhaust a little bit of heat already, and because exhaust systems they change their tone and they get also louder over time when they get a lot of heat and full throttle. So I always say a new exhaust system for me needs 10,000 kilometers of full throttle, and then it's fine, then it's completely run in. And yeah, you can really hear that over the thousands kilometers how a new exhaust system changes if it gets really driven really hard. So otherwise I don't think so much. Yeah, so sound check. Come on. Fuck, was that loud? Wow, brutal. Really. Louder than my GT4 was, for sure. But already with a Friedrich Motorsport exhaust installed. Okay, let's try from the inside, how it sounds from the inside. Just go that road back up again. Okay, traction control off, let's check that one. Just a tiny little drift, just you couldn't see I think, but maybe you could hear. But yeah, very well balanced car. But you can also get a lot more drift angle, of course. So this is how the new exhaust looks like, installed now. And I don't know if you can see that here on the camera. It already got a bit of a nice, I think, temper color, like from here till the end. Not sure if you can see that, but it already changed its color, which is if steel gets hot enough, it will change its color. And yeah, that's always when you can see that a nice stainless steel exhaust gets a good color. So it gets driven very hard, then they get color. Not all of them, but normally it looks like that. Okay guys, first impression for me with my new Friedrich Motorsport exhaust. I like it. It's actually pretty much as expected from so noise-wise, how loud it is, because I expected to go from a much too quiet exhaust, which is stock, or which was stock in this MX5, to a not much too quiet, but just too quiet exhaust system. And that's exactly what happened. So it's a lot better than stock. Actually, when they installed at Friedrich Motorsport the exhaust, and they started it the first time to roll out of the workshop, I was afraid, because first I thought that didn't change a lot, so it's still much too quiet. So that was my very first impression. But luckily it's not like this. It's actually it's decent louder than stock, but it's still not a really loud exhaust. Yeah, but it's fun. It sounds nice. It's a bit just a thumbs up from a motorbike cyclist. He really liked the car, the big smile. Yeah, it's a decent bit louder, it sounds a decent bit nicer, more sporty way. Cold start sounds better also, and of course, yeah, if you rev it. So if you really low revs, yeah, so like driving between 2,000 and 3,000, it's really very quiet. Also a bit more than stock, but very quiet. But then, so 3,000 to 4,000, it starts getting louder. Actually at 3,000 already. And then, yeah, if you give it full beans and rev it out, so from 5, 6, 7, yeah, 5, 6,000, it gets really fruity, and yeah, 7 and until 7.5, it's really nice. I hope you can hear that on the video. I don't know yet, but yeah, that's my impressions. So, and it's completely street legal, which was very important for me, and it was not that expensive. You can get a louder exhaust still completely street legal, but then it gets actually very expensive. You have to make the front part of the exhaust system. So I don't know in English, the Fächerkrümmer, the man in English. So the first exhaust part from the engine, if you make that new and special, and then also the cat, if you get a motorsports cat, like 200 cell cat or something, you can get that street legal, and that makes also a lot to the sound characteristics, and as well how loud it gets. So, but then it gets yeah, really decent, more expensive, which I didn't like in this car. I think there is no point in getting a money sensible car and then throw a lot of money in it. So, because well, I just got as much exhaust as I really needed to really enjoy the car, and I have that now, so I'm happy with that. And hopefully the next loud exhaust will be on my next Porsche. Okay guys, that was my video for today, how I got my Friedrich Motorsport exhaust. I hope you enjoyed, and have a good one, and ciao for now. Goodbye.